In this video, you'll learn how to test for radon gas at home using a short-term test kit. The accuracy of your result depends on the quality of the sample you send. Before you begin the test, close all exterior doors and windows for at least 12 hours before testing, except for brief entry and exit. Keep windows closed and close doors promptly to limit drafts. Run your heat or air conditioning as usual. Do not use a whole house or attic fan, or any setting that pulls outdoor air inside, as this can skew the results. Next, remove the kit from the packaging. Each kit will contain the following items: a return envelope with an information section on the back and a clear plastic hanger attached. Do not remove the hanger. A cardboard insert that resembles a cup with a straw. Handle carefully and do not alter it. And a small desiccant packet glued inside the envelope. Do not remove it. Now it's time to set up the test. To begin, on the back of the envelope, print the following information in blue or black ink: your first and last name, the test address where the test is being performed, your email address or mobile number to receive results and follow-up information, and the start date and time when you begin the test. Round to the nearest hour. Be sure to fill in all circles and squares completely. The form is scanned by a computer, and incomplete bubbles can cause errors in reading your information. After you're done filling out your information, fold the curved end of the cardboard along the perforation so the narrow tab sticks out for easy removal later. Slide the non-curved end of the cardboard back into the envelope and use the bent end to hold the envelope open with the tab exposed. Choose a test location in a frequently used room on the lowest livable level of your home. For example, a lived-in basement or the first floor of a 2-story home. Do not place the kit in a bathroom, kitchen, or garage. If you need help choosing a location or advice on how to hang the kit, contact your county extension office. A link is in the video description. Next, hang the test kit using the attached plastic tab, 2 to 6 feet above the floor. Leave the kit undisturbed for a minimum of 3 days and a maximum of 7 days. Maintain closed house conditions and normal heating or cooling. When the test period ends, pull the exposed tab to remove and discard the cardboard insert. Peel the white strip on the inside of the envelope and press firmly to seal it. Cut off the plastic hanging tab. On the back of the envelope, record the end date and time. Round to the nearest hour. Then complete the remaining fields. Average room temperature during the test, whether crawl space vents were open or closed, the floor on which the room was tested, the room type, such as bedroom, living room, or basement, whether closed house conditions were maintained, and whether this was an initial, follow-up, real estate, or post-mitigation test. After you've filled out this information, mail the sealed envelope to the lab as soon as possible, ideally the same day, or by the next morning. No postage is needed if mailed in the U.S. Mailing it promptly helps the lab obtain accurate results, as the sample needs to arrive within approximately 10 to 12 days. You should receive your results within 7 to 10 business days via the contact method you provided. For more information on radon or additional testing information, visit radon.uga.edu or email ugaradon@uga.edu.